Hey there, finance enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex topics into simple, actionable steps. Today's video is all about how to check your Amex APR for 2025. If you're an American Express cardholder, understanding your annual percentage rate, APR, is key to managing your finances, avoiding surprise interest charges, and making smart borrowing decisions. So, let's dive right in. First off, what's an APR? It's the annual interest rate charged on your credit card balance if you don't pay it off in full each month. For 2025, Amex might have updated rates based on economic changes, so staying informed is more important than ever. To check your Amex APR, start by logging into your American Express account online. Head to the Amex website or app and enter your username and password. If you don't have an account set up, download the Amex app from your phone's app store. It's user-friendly and secure. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Accounts or Account Summary section. Here, you'll see a breakdown of your card details. Look for the Interest Rates and Fees tab, which is usually under Card Information or Statement Details. Your APR will be listed there, often broken down by different types like Purchase APR, Balance Transfer APR, or Cash Advance APR. Make sure to note the effective date, as rates can change annually. If you're having trouble finding it online, don't worry. Open the Amex mobile app and go to your card's overview page. Tap on More Details or Rates and Terms for a quick view. For any discrepancies or if you need clarification, contact Amex customer service directly through the app or by calling the number on the back of your card. They can provide personalized info based on your account. Pro tip: check your APR at least once a year, especially around January for 2025 updates, to compare it with current market rates and see if refinancing or switching cards makes sense. Remember, keeping your balance low and paying on time can help you avoid interest altogether. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video. Stay savvy.